Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all, dear students. I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. Welcome our online class, Raghunathpur Girls High School. I am Abdul Salam, head teacher, Raghunathpur Girls High School, Nawabganj, Dinajpur. Today's our lesson English for today, class 10. Dear student, look at the screen. You have seen the screens, some pictures. Guess these pictures what it is. We are see the picture arts of Shilpa Sarja Zainal Abidin. He is a great artist of our Bangladesh. Today our today lessons is Zainal Abidin, the greatest artist, Unit 7, Lesson 1. Be carefully and take lesson textbooks, open your in front. Learning outcomes. After we have studied these lessons, we will be able to read and understand through silent reading, ask and answer questions, write an article. Let us know some things about. We can see this picture is Zainal Abidin. His birthplace, Kishoreganj, date of birth 29 December 1914. In 1938, he graduated with the first position in first class. He attended the Salete School of Arts, London during 1951 to 52. He was titled Shilpa Sarja, Great Teachers of Arts. Students, look at the picture and guess what is this picture. It is scenes of or picture of Brahmaputra North. Our great artist Shilpa Sarja Zainal Abidin inspired to be an artist by the river Brahmaputra North. Dear student, look at this picture. Government School of Art, Kolkata. After completing high school, he got admitted in this school. Salete School of Arts, London. He attended the Salete School Arts of Artists in London from 1951 to 52. It is picture of first art school Dhaka, now Art Institute of Dhaka. Zainal Abidin was the first principal of these institutions, was the founded of. Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon. Zainal Abidin Shilpa Sarja greatly his own works in Mymensingh. Students, we can see the picture. It is constitutions of Bangladesh since Zainal Abidin designed this piece of constitutions of Bangladesh. Keywords, no words options. Try to tell the meaning of the word, then follow the picture and match the meaning. Make a sentence with the meaning word. Feminine sketch means In 1943 in Bangladesh occurred a great famine. We can see these pictures, meaning drawing a famine picture. Zainul Abidin was famous for drawing famine sketches. Sinister. Sinister meaning harmful, injurious, and pernicious. Human body skeletal. Skeletal means form or structures of body, human bodies. The picture was show the skeletal parts of human body. Plight meaning commitment, promise, pledge, undertaking, promising. Depict meaning representations by drawing. Representations of drawing by drawing. A painter depicts his imaginations by drawings, pictures. Dear students, thank you very much. By the end.